What's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be installing my new carbon fiber lip from Phantom Composites. I chose to go with a carbon fiber lip to match my carbon fiber hood, and I soon plan to get a carbon fiber trunk. This lip is going to be replacing my OEM lip. It's very lightweight, I like it, it's a beautiful piece. I feel like it's a perfect touch to add to the car. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of the lip and I'm going to be installing it. I already removed my bumper. So as you guys can see, this lip already comes with the holes for you to bolt into your OEM bumper. So it makes the install super easy. So this video is going to be something very short and simple. Once I get this lip installed, I will go ahead and show you guys the outcome. Just finished installing the lip and I'm so happy with the way it came out. It looks so beautiful and I think it's a perfect touch to match the carbon fiber hood. So if any of you guys are interested in this lip or want to know more about it, I'll leave it in the description below. They make these lips in Kevlar. They make them for EGs, EKs, and stuff like that. Thank you all again for watching. Be sure to hit that bell button so you do not miss out on another video. And if you're new here, be sure to comment below, say what's up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.